Welcome back. Today, we continue our journey to explore 20 types of sports balls full of excitement in this video. Are you ready? Let's go!
This is a cricket ball.
Cricket ball. This is a cricket ball. Hard red leather ball used in cricket, designed for spin, swing, and powerful batting.
This is a pétanque ball.
Pétanque ball. This is a pétanque ball. Heavy metal pétanque ball thrown close to a small target ball in the French lawn game.
This is an American football.
American football. This is American football. Oval-shaped football with laces built for grip, power throws, and durability in American football.
This is a tennis ball.
Tennis ball. This is a tennis ball. Small neon yellow fuzzy ball, highly bouncy, designed for fast-paced tennis play and easy visibility.
This is a golf ball.
Golf ball. This is a golf ball. Small dimpled golf ball designed to travel far and steady during accurate swings on the course.
This is a bowling ball.
Bowling ball. This is a bowling ball. Heavy ball with 3-finger holes, rolled to knock down pins in the sport of bowling.
This is a billiard ball.
Billiard ball. This is a billiard ball. Hard, polished billiard ball used in cue sports such as pool and snooker for precision shots.
This is a rugby ball.
Rugby ball. This is a rugby ball. Larger rugby ball without laces, used for traditional rugby matches emphasizing strength and teamwork.
This is a water polo ball.
Water polo ball. This is a water polo ball. High grip, floating ball used in water polo for fast, strategic aquatic competition.
This is a handball.
Handball. This is a handball. Small, lightweight handball designed for quick throws, fast passes, and high-speed indoor gameplay.
This is a soccer ball.
Soccer ball. This is a soccer ball. Used in soccer, made of 32 stitched panels, designed for durability, control, and accurate flight.
This is a table tennis ball.
Table tennis ball. This is a table tennis ball. Extremely light and perfectly round, designed for fast-paced, high-spin table tennis competitions.
This is a shuttlecock.
Shuttlecock. This is a shuttlecock. Shuttlecock with feathers or nylon skirt, stable in flight for competitive badminton play.
This is a softball.
Softball. This is a softball. Larger and softer than a baseball, used in softball for safer yet competitive play.
This is a bocce ball.
Bocce ball. This is a bocce ball. Heavy round bocce ball used in the Italian lawn game for precise rolling and scoring.
This is a squash ball.
Squash ball. This is a squash ball. Small rubber squash ball with low bounce, used in fast indoor wall games requiring precision.
This is a volleyball.
Volleyball. This is a volleyball. Lightweight volleyball with moderate bounce, ideal for indoor and beach games with precise control.
This is a baseball.
Baseball. This is a baseball. Hard white baseball with red stitches, designed for pitching, batting, and professional league games.
This is a basketball.
Basketball. This is a basketball, used in basketball, built for excellent bounce and grip to enable accurate passes and shots.
This is a yoga ball.
Yoga ball. This is a yoga ball, large, soft yoga ball used for balance, stretching, and physical therapy exercises. Which type of sports ball do you like the most? Please like and subscribe to let me know.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the channel. Goodbye and see you next time.